Let's gently get ready, taking a slow breath as we begin. Stand tall like a mountain, breathing slowly, in and out. Reach your arms up high and take a deep, happy breath in. Slowly bend forward and let your body relax as you breathe out. Lift your chest halfway and take a slow, gentle breath in. Balance softly, like a tree, breathing slow and steady. Stretch your arms wide and feel strong as you breathe. Sit comfortably and take slow, peaceful breaths. Reach forward gently and feel your body soften with each breath. Rest your body and breathe slowly, feeling calm and safe.